there, this is Jamila Shields. Welcome to Marketing for Newbies. Thanks for stopping to my page and to my channel. I'm hoping to see you on the other side pretty soon, but right now I want you to click the button to access this free video that's going to reveal strategies and marketing training for you in order to grow in your business and be able to make $25 to $1,000 per day. No, I'm not going to say it's going to happen overnight, but you will put in some work, but you'll get great tips and tricks on how to accomplish those goals. So go ahead and click on the button there and access the video. You will be asked to re-enter your best email and your name in order to access the video trainings. But you will be able to see everything that you need to know about how to become an online marketer and offline marketer and accomplish that $25 to $1,000 per day goal for you. So again, this is Jamila Shields. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure to like my channel, The Newbie Marketer, and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button for more info and more videos that I will be uploading. Hope to see you on our other side. Don't forget to click the button to access your free video. Have an awesome day. See you soon. Bye-bye.